heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: public reported. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Leeds, Moody, Chelsea, Childersburg, Columbiana, Wilsonville, Talladega Springs, Vincent, Harpersville, Westover, Mount Laurel, Vanderveer, Highland Lakes, Fowler Lake, Logan Martin Dam, Lake, Logan Martin Lake, Shelby, Gaston Steam Plant, and Beeswax Creek Pond. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.